Welcome to Ngo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 0, MC Alga 0. The CAF Champions League. Bafo kunjani?
Bafo
Yeah.
bathi ungayithivu
Ungayithivu.
bafo bathi thanda iPirates ayinamngozi. Thanda iPirates.
Thanda lento.
Thanda iPirates wemlandeli webhola ayinabungozi.
Uyithathe futhi.
Futhi ke ine happiness ngaphakathi lento.
Yeah, ngithi uyithathe, ungayithandi.
Ungayithandi kuphela ithathe. Thatha lento ayinamngozi. iHappiness yodwa.
Yeah.
Wesikama Minzela isigodi eOrlando. Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye.
Nazo.
Subscribe baba. Young one, old one, please give support.
Nazo. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
uba follow. Sizosuka naye ekhaya.
Nazo.
Bafo. What can I say? Ubumnandi bento nje. Ngeke ngathi ngikhuluma kwamanye ama interview.
Yeah.
Ngathi kunesihlavu engasithandi esiyasenzeka now and then. And I was not expecting ukuthi like us izokwenzeka.
Yeah.
But senzekile. Bengikhuza imihlola eyenzeka eLoftus.
Yeah.
Ngakhuza imihlola eyenzeka eKapa. La eOrlando ke imihlola yenziwa yini? I-player or i-player management ye-MC kumele bacabange sisi babeza kwenza into. Ngelinye ilanga bayokhosta i-team yabo bafe bonke ngasali noyedwa umuntu. Mawenza into think before.
And usekhambeni.
Away from home.
Exactly.
I try all means to stop abalandeli bami ngikwazi ukuthi bahlanya western ukuhlanya everyone behind the poles. Behind the poles ngathi guys please don't entertain. Saqeda away from home. If the team bene football spirit bokumele yazi ukuthi i-games iluze ekhaya. Lana uma ngabe sithi siyazama siyahluleka lesi accept. Banga fight for nothing. They want to cost people for nothing. If our lands from management, from players, it's very disappointed. Loud and clear. If indlela abasupportaja ngakhona, our president we CAF ubaba Patrice Motsepe cacile babasana racism. In Africa racism must fall. If they are still qualify ukuba ama Africans abay apply Trump yabafuna ngale Europe Trump yabafuna bonke. Yeah, if bazibona bona ukuthi abaqualify ukuba ama Americans no aba apply ku Trump lana sifuna peace in ama Africa and peace. Yeah. Anothando.
Nazo ke bafo.
Bafo ngibuyele gamini.
Nazo ukuthi.
Let me first ngibongele iOrlando Pirates Football Club. Ukuthi join i-team yesibili ku-PSL. Imamelodi Sundowns kabiyelo.
Nazo.
Ngibongele ushaman we-PSL uDr Ivan Khoza.
Yeah.
Umlando sewuqophile manje for the first time in history ephethe i-organization. Yeah. Kwi-Champions League sokungena ama-team wakhe awu-2 kuma-semi-final. Sokusele kancane ukuthi awabona ama-team wakhe eyodlala wo-2 kwi-final. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, i-Confederation Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Nginayo ngiyayibongela ngale kodwa nje ilokhuzana. Yeah, ngapha siyeza kuyona. Sengisho nje la kule lokhuzana iku-Champions League. La ukuthi iPirates ifuna second star. Yeah. Yabona lo umsebenzi kusho ukuthi manje even abo Barcelona, Real Madrid, Man City, Man U, Inter Milan, Juventus bonke manje amehlo bakumele abheke kwi-PSL ukuthi abadlali bakhona futhi ba-upgrade kakhulu. Yeah, bafo ngeke ngingambongi uplayer number 12. Umlandeli wePirates othatha imali yakhe wayothenga ithikithi. Imali yakhe yokugcina like me. I'm always salute abalandeli bePirates. We are here for love of Orlando Pirates. Nothing else. Uyabona njengasenze kanje ngithi to all Orlando Pirates supporters, all football supporters, let's continue. Let's give Pirates support. Let's give Sundowns support. Let's give steady support. More special, those 3 teams, they are representing PSL. Must push kanje support ama players, management, izoba nomdla ama plan number 12 eOrlando Pirates abalandeli badlala big role
nazo ke bafo.
big role bafo.
Lastly bafo ucoach wakho uyahamba yakhumbula ngeke ngakubuza last
Eish,
futhi ngathi kuwena normally Pirates ucoach ufika adlale kahle awina izinto njengo Kroll bamhambisa manje nangu no Jose Rivero unithathela ama cup of 5 angathatha ileague manje Champions League ne Nedbank Cup futhi kodwa siyahamba umyalezo wakho towards yena as umlandeli
Bafo uJose to compare uJose no Kroll there's a difference. uKroll uachieve ngelast season yakhe uJose since efikile I think bafo kunalento yokugwarana kwabalandeli bamateam ama opposition uye wathola a bad nickname from Kaizer Chiefs supporters say
ayike nabakho bafo
nabakho no abantu bacula into bafo asebeziwe iculwa omunye umuntu the first opposition say iPirates isani say iplamba kanti iplamba lizabuya libe yenye into
libhizi manje
liplamba libhizi liplamba kakhulu lifixa each and every into elikayo
liplamba nabo laba
laba bebiza ngeplamba laba plamba nabo again bafo ngathi nje ukufika kwaJose ke kwaletha ihappiness kwiOrlando Pirates family from management from Dr. Ivan Khoza players supporters 5 cups back to back is not a joke. Yeah, umsebenzi wakhe muhle even now as 2 semi-finals champions semi-final Nedbank semi-finals already second position already ukuyona of which usenze ufuna ukwenza back to back triple back to back second position if as a failure with but mark my words ngenzeka imbet mehlwana kwi league bafo Jose to you and your family bokumnandi ukuba nawe angeke sikuvimbe ekuthenini ubuyele back to your country uyohlala nefamily yakho vele away from home you miss your family, you miss your children, your wife. Yeah, it's difficult, but it's the time us niggas gonna appreciate you. We say thank you to you, and even nokuthi unga renew contract somehow kungakusisa because you never know if ma renew contract usazophinda ube uJose obekade entandokazi because the Orlando Pirates supporters abana therefore abalandeli bePirates ungabenzela into enhle namhlanje kusasa wenza into kwenzeke into embi kuwe ukhohlwa bathene like a snake uzibuza ukuthi ayibo
kanjani manje
konjani labantu bebekade bengithanda kanje sebengibiza ngawo wonke amagama that's Orlando Pirates supporters behleli benikita iwin wire that's our culture bafo sithi okuhlona kumhlaba
wenza kahle hambe isilungu sithi umuntu odansa kahle uyilona oshesha phuma stage
bafo angesend message kuBobby uBobby kune uyabe trend la ethi uJose uyahamba nePirates izoba sezinkingeni Bobby don't follow uJose sizwe kuthiwa uJose uyahamba tomorrow simbona uJose seqhama Kaizer Chiefs uyohamba wrong
akithi nawo umthatha uVivi asiyeke
ngimlande emazweni uVivi bafo
uVivi uyakuchiya
wangwinela ini iNedbank
nazo nawe miyeke uJose ayele
ngiyamsora uBobby angafaka imali eningi kanti Bob Steak
please take Jose wakho
Bob Steak
amiyekile lapho
sikubhekile
Thank you futhi nazo ke baba